trains.
Yeah? That's awesome.
Yep.
That's awesome. I love that. Is that a tablet?
Yes.
What kind of tablet you at?
It's on an iPad.
That's cool.
Oh, it's good.
I just wanted to see if you like trains.
Okay, I tell you what, you can see here, tell you what, you'll be good.
Yeah.
Nice truck.
Huh?
That's a nice truck, a new truck.
Thank you. Yeah, it is new.
Is it new in 2025?
24.
Oh, 24. Turn on, yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's real nice.
Okay, guys, have a good one.
You have a great day.
All right, thank you.